Welcome back! So, today we're gonna talk about creating an interactive classroom using Google Slides and Bitmoji. So, if you are familiar with Bitmoji, you could have this on your phone or in your laptop devices. You can get it on Play Store or just go to bitmoji.com. I added my Bitmoji as an extension, which is really helpful. On the upper right corner of your window, this one. Okay, I added my Bitmoji as an extension, which is really helpful. Teachers are now using Bitmoji since we are away from our classrooms right now. It is good for creating a virtual classroom. Okay, so this is my Google Slides, which I created a while ago. So I will teach you how to create this kind of slide. Okay, to start with, let's open a new slide. Okay, so as you can see, I added here a blank slide. Okay, first we have to delete this backslash. You can click Ctrl A then delete, or just drag this like this and then click the backspace or delete. Then the first thing that we need to have first is the background. For our background, I will choose a wool brick wall. Okay, choose image. Then choose where to get your image. In my case, I will choose Google image search. So here I will type have wall and floor. Okay, so here we can choose whatever image you will like. Just pick one. I'll pick this color. Click insert and then click done. Okay, so the next thing that I want to insert in our slide is a whiteboard. For a teacher, it is very essential for us to have a whiteboard or blackboard. Click insert, then put your cursor on image. Actually, you can insert text box if you want. You can also insert audio, video, shapes. Okay, you can choose the shapes that you like to insert. Arrows, equations, call outs. You can also insert tables, charts, diagram, word art, lines, comments. But in our case, we will choose image. Put your cursor on your image and then just choose wherever you like to get your image. In my case, I will choose search the web so that I will have plenty of choices. Click and then I'll search whiteboard. Make sure that before you type whiteboard, you will put transparent so that you won't have any problem with a picture. Transparent whiteboard. Okay, so there are lots of choices here. You can choose this or anything you like. Let's say, for example, I will choose this. You just have to click insert. To resize this one, put your cursor on this square until the arrow will show. Then drag. Okay, so in our whiteboard here, we can see that there are unnecessary colors or circles which is showing, so we want to get rid of it. To get rid of it, we can crop the image. So how to crop the image? To crop the image, you can click or right click and then click crop the image, and then put your cursor on the square here until the arrow will show, and then drag to the place you want it to crop. Okay, so this one, and then click enter. Okay, so as you can see, we already get rid of it. Okay, but I think this whiteboard is very simple, so I'd like to delete this one and choose another one. So the same process, just go to insert, click image, search the web, and then choose the whiteboard you like. Okay, I'll choose this. Click insert. Now we already have our whiteboard. So this time I will put a bookshelf. So I'll click insert, image, search the web, and then put bookshelf. Enter. So you can choose the bookshelf here. I'll choose this. Click insert and then drag. Okay, let's go back. Actually, you can insert multiple pictures if you like. Let's say, for example, I also wanted to add this shelf. So I'm gonna click it and I will add another one for me to choose from, whichever is much better. So I will click insert. Okay, so here we can see that we can clearly see which among these three bookshelves looks much better. This one looks good. Okay, but the color is very strong, so I won't choose that, and I won't choose this one as well. So just click the picture and then click as well the control and click the other picture that you want to remove, and then right click and delete. Okay, so that's how you can delete a multiple picture. Next is I want to have a cabinet. I'll put a cabinet. Okay, let's see which looks better. Okay, scroll down. Okay, I'll choose this. Click insert. I'll put it on the right side here. Okay, so you can always drag your picture to wherever location you want it to place. Okay, so now since as a teacher I am handling history, so I'll add a globe with stand. Okay, I'll choose this, insert. Okay, just resize the picture until it would look better. Okay, so now I'm going to add books here on my shelf. Okay, let's add a book. History book cover. Let's say Renaissance book cover. Okay, I'll choose this one and another one. Okay, I'll check this. And last one, I'll include this. Click insert. Okay, so now I added multiple books. Click wherever you like so that you can skip on the highlighting the books. Okay, so let's resize all the books one by one. Resize the books so that it will fit on the shelf. Okay, so let's try to put the first book here. Okay, the second one here. The second one, just drag this. Make sure that the cursor will turn into 4 arrows so that you can drag this, otherwise you won't be able to drag the photo. Okay, so I am contented already with the way it is. Next, resize, put this here. Okay, another one. I'm gonna crop this because I don't like the way it is. So again, all you need to do to crop this is right click and then put the cursor on the square logo, and then make sure that your cursor will turn into 2 arrows, and then you have to resize it. Okay, so now that I am contented with it, just click enter, and then I'm going to resize. You can put the picture in or backward. Again, let's put the picture order to send to back. If you send to the back the picture, that's how it will look like. Okay, we're going to Control Z because we don't like it that way. And then, to make it pretty, let's add a flower base. Transparent flower base. Okay, now click anywhere so that you can deselect the 2 pictures. Click again the other picture to resize, and then let's put this aside for later purposes. Click drag. Now I will add a TV. Okay, you can choose here. I'll choose this. Click insert. And as you can see, our TV has a background, so we will crop the image. Again, right click and then click crop, then put your cursor in this part. Just do the same on the other side. Okay, if you're already contented with the way it is, click enter. Okay, so now this is how our TV looks like. We can resize our TV. Next thing that we will do is to add a video in our TV. So how are we going to do that? Okay, all we need to do is click insert, make sure that before you do that, you click the picture that you wanted to put the link. Okay, so in my case, I will choose this TV. Next thing that we need to have is a video. So we already have our TV, we want to put a video in it. So just click insert, click video. Okay, in my case, I have a video here in my YouTube and I will copy this URL. Just right click and then click copy and then paste, search. Okay, so we have it here. Click the video and then select. Okay, so here is our video. Okay, so I will resize it to fit in with our TV. Click drag. And then let's resize again the TV. Okay, so we're going to put a table and I'll be choosing color pink. Now click somewhere to deselect, then resize this one by one. Okay, so let's put our table at the center. Resize. Okay, so next is I want to add a chair. I want the chair to change its direction. So to change the position or direction of our chair, just click or put your cursor here, this part here, and then drag to the left side to flip. Okay, so now our chair changed its direction. And then I wanted to add my avatar in Bitmoji, so I'll click my Bitmoji, which is located here, and I'll choose OK setting. So I like this. I will copy the image and then paste this one here. I'll drag this to the chair. Add a wall painting to make my classroom elegant. Click insert. The next thing that I'll need to do is insert a shape. I will choose rectangle and put it right here. Then I'll put my text. As you can see, our shape has white color, so this color is very simple, and I wanted to change the color of it, so I'll put the color. I will choose gradient and choose this. Okay, and the font color, I'll change this into white to look more pleasant. And the next thing is I'm going to put a plant. Okay, we'll choose here. Okay, so I will choose this plant. Click insert and then resize. Okay, so it's already done. Next thing that I want to do is I want to link my books to my lesson. So let's say, for example, my first lesson is about geography. I will put a link about geography. I will copy the URL, click copy, and then paste it here. Now you have to first insert link like what we did. Okay, insert link, then paste the copied URL, click apply. Okay, so now our first book is now linked with geography. So if the student will click this book, they will be directed here. Okay, you can choose here whichever you like. Terrain, tectonic plates, night, political. Okay, I'll choose political. Okay, so got it. Click and drag. Okay, you can drag. Show tilt. Okay, this is how amazing you can explore Bitmoji. Okay, so to add this, just highlight the URL, right click, click copy, and then click the picture that you want to add a link, click insert, click link, and then paste the copied URL here. Okay, and then click apply. So you can watch our video here. So now our video is playing. Magandang araw sa lahat. Okay, so that is how you can create your virtual classroom using Google Slides and Bitmojis. So I hope you learned something for today's tutorial, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you.